What's up, guys? Today's video, it's an update, guys, because I got the wiring done. It goes. I'm putting it this way because I'm doing it like this because it needed to be fixed. Sorry if it looks kind of like what the heck, but I put there was a white from the harness coming out. It was white with a red thin line, and the other one was green with a neon orange line. So I put the dark green with the black with the neon orange line, and then the white one with the white line, the white with the red line in the middle. And if it's not like that, it's the other way. Can't be no other way. So I'm gonna put it right there. Just put it right there. It's because it's sticking to stuff. Gotta be careful with it. But that's the wiring, guys. I wanted to show you. That's getting done tomorrow. It's gonna be a little bit warmer. I'm gonna put it in there, put that on, get all the bracket on there, get all the other accessories on here, the tensioner, and the serpentine belt stuff. The other camshaft sensor is right there. I just gotta plug it in, but I'm gonna let that loose so I can rotate it, so I can suck up oil through the new system. And that's it, guys. I just wanted to show you I did that, and I'm gonna start tomorrow. And wanted to tell you guys Merry Christmas. Today's the 25th of 2022, and oh my gosh, check out the brakes, guys. I'm gonna just sand them, guys, with a wire brush. There's a big old turd on it. So, and the brakes too. Well, just clean them up. And then the other one's over here. But that's what I'm gonna do. I'm filming. But that's it, guys. Thanks for watching. Peace.